Hello, everybody. I am doing a real short video here today. I'm not going to go into too much detail here, but I'm doing what is known as a swing trade right now. Swing trades, you invest a certain amount into a particular market, and it is based off of several things, but one thing you'll notice is there are certain stocks and certain coins that follow a pattern. And in this case, if you look here, you'll notice it swings up and down and up and down and up. And you'll notice that it has resistance at certain levels. And here you'll notice that support, which is the bottom of the swing, tends to come down to right about here. And that's usually when you want to invest in it. And then you want to sell when it comes to resistance, which you'll notice is right up about here, where the stock tends to bounce off the price and then start dropping again. Now, you want to do this based off of certain traits. Like, is the stock dependable? And does it follow a trend, which this one does follow that trend? Now, when you do this, you want to do it without the assumption that it's going to continue following this trend, because if it's one thing markets can do, is it can break trends. So you want to keep an eye on it. This one, I set the candles to 1 day, because if I were to follow it every 1, 5, or 15 minutes, it would distract from my piece. It would make it very it would involve a lot of emotion, and if it's one thing you do not want to get involved in your trades is more emotion than necessary. Again, this is just my take on everything. I do not provide financial advice, and I would advise you do your own due diligence, consult with a financial expert before making any kind of trades. You can, and many people do, actually lose everything they put into this. So again, just do your own due diligence and take what I say with a grain of salt. All right, y'all have a good day now. I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.